Do you ever feel tired even after a full night's sleep? Or notice your memory slipping, your skin aging faster, or constant aches in your body? The hidden reason might be something you've never heard of: a molecule called NAD+. And if your levels are low, your body is already aging from the inside out. Today, I'll show you the 5 warning signs your NAD+ is low and what you can do to fix it. Before we dive into the signs, let's keep it simple. NAD+ is like your body's spark plug. It powers energy in your cells, repairs DNA, and keeps you young. Without it, your body slows down, like a phone battery that doesn't hold charge anymore. The first red flag of low NAD+ is constant fatigue. Your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, can't produce enough energy without NAD+. That means you'll feel tired, drained, and sluggish, even after 8 hours of sleep. Ever walk into a room and forget why you came? Or struggle to focus on simple tasks? Low NAD+ means your brain cells aren't firing properly. Scientists call NAD+ brain fuel because it keeps neurons communicating clearly. Without it, mental fog takes over. Wrinkles, dullness, sagging skin, all of these are linked to low NAD+. Why? Because NAD+ activates sirtuins, your body's repair crew. Without them, your skin cells can't fix UV and pollution damage. The result? Your skin ages years faster than it should. Do your workouts feel harder than before? Or maybe your muscles stay sore for days? Low NAD+ slows down the repair of muscle tissue. Without enough cellular energy, your body struggles to heal, making you weaker and less active over time. Can't sleep well? Feeling anxious, stressed, or moody for no reason? NAD+ plays a key role in regulating your circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock. Low levels disrupt sleep cycles, hormone balance, and even mood stability. Here's the good news. You can boost NAD+ naturally. Intermittent fasting, regular exercise, and eating foods rich in vitamin B3, like salmon, mushrooms, and peanuts, all help. Some people also use NAD+ precursors like NMN and NR, which scientists are actively studying for their anti-aging effects. So, if you've noticed constant fatigue, memory problems, aging skin, muscle weakness, or poor sleep, your NAD+ might be low. The earlier you take action, the better your chances of slowing down aging. Want more science-backed health tips like this? Hit that subscribe button now and join me as we uncover the secrets to staying younger, longer.